Okay, friends, here's how you add somebody like myself as an advertising agency or someone that's just going to be your ad consultant into your Facebook ads campaign. First and foremost, you're going to want to go to this page right here on the internet. Go to https://business.facebook.com, hit enter. Now, if you're logged into your Facebook account, it should go to a page like this. This is essentially one of the many complicated pages, and you'll see I have other client accounts, but essentially yours will look pretty much the same here. Upper left-hand corner, hit the drop box and find the account that you have that you're running everything through. You'll note I have a bunch here, so I'm just going to grab one of these. And then the account that you're going to be operating in should be highlighted right here, upper left-hand corner under Home. Now, what you want to do next is look over here and see profiles of people using your accounts. Your ad account should be right here. Now, I think some of you may not have an ad account yet, so you're going to have to create one. And the way you're going to do that is, hold on, you're going to click the gear down here for settings. Then it's going to pop this column open, and this is where all the magic happens. What you want is people. Click here, or partners. So people are people that you've already added in. Most likely you're in there like I am here, and this is an active account. So you'll see I have full control of everything, advanced options and everything. What you're going to want to do is, if you don't have an ad account, you're going to keep scrolling down here to where it says ad accounts. Click that once. And then you'll see some of these accounts are disabled. And then I don't have an account with this one. Scrolling back down to add accounts. So I would click add an account here, and that's what you will do. And then, quite simply, you're going to go back to people, and then if you're going to invite someone like myself in, you're going to click this button right here that says invite people. And then right here, you're going to use the email address of the account of the person that you're using their Facebook account on. Whatever they use that Facebook, whatever they log in with, tell them to give you that. And then you're going to add it in there, and you're going to click send. And then that person will get an invitation, or me, if you're watching this because I asked you to do this. Hopefully this is helpful. If you get hung up or snag, get in touch. Over and out.